I'm going to show you how to bid on Upwork. Begin by selecting a job that matches your skills and clicking Submit a Proposal. When submitting your bid, you'll set two key elements, the price and the number of connects. First, bid on the price. This is how much you're asking to be paid for the job. Set a competitive rate that aligns with the client's budget while reflecting your expertise and value. Next, decide how many connects you want to use for your proposal. Using more connects can boost your proposal's visibility, increasing the chance of being seen first in the client's list of applicants. After setting that, click on Set Bid. Once you've set your price and connects, write a strong cover letter explaining your qualifications and add relevant work samples. After reviewing everything, click on Submit Proposal and wait for the client's response.